What is good, YouTube? It's Raw Gamer Glizzy, and welcome to Three Scary Games. I had to come up over here and give y'all something tonight, bro. You feel me? Cause this is other stuff that I'm still working on. That's taking a lot of time from me, alright? So I have to man up and I say, hey, let me give my folks something. So we're gonna do three scary horror games, okay? We're gonna start off with back rooms. Let's get into it. Check. Who? Check, watch everything, huh? Go as far as possible and get out alive. Don't look at it. Got Sinister Lucky, the red. No clipping through what? Reality. That's not for little kids. Hold on. Did not exit through the entrance. What's wrong with the wall? Hold on, folks. Sorry. Getting tired of this wall. You got anything to shake this? Yep. I got everything I need, buddy. Okay. I had the Shaikori up in the background. It is my time now. Nah, let me stop. Hold on. Back rooms. They got. Do I got a sprint? Do I got sprint? I'm scared already, bro. Do I hear something walking? Is it me or I hear something walking? I don't know what that noise is. I hear something. Where am I going? Bro, I don't know what's gonna pop up. There's so much noise around, you'll never know what'll run up on you. They got multiple monsters in one room? What is this? Hide behind the wall. The wall did it? The wall made that noise? What the freak? Bro, everything just rotated or something? Bro, I'm out of here. Go, 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 go. Get. I don't. Oh crap. Let me get on, please. Help me. Oh my god. Not a dead end. Okay. What the freak? Bro, the carpets, everything is. What is that? What is that? I don't. Help me. I don't know what that noise is, but it's time to get on ASAP. I'm sweating. Please help me, Lord. Please. Don't have nothing stick me, please. I'm begging you. No, help me. Help me. What is that noise? What is that? He sound like he's coughing or something. What, you just got done eating? The lights are popping. What? What? bro. I don't know what's up with, bro. It's all type of stuff going on in here right now, bro. What's wrong with my eyesight? Why am I blurry? Please don't let it be nothing behind me. Please don't let it be nothing behind me. Please. Oh. I'm sweating. You see the sweat. You see the sweat. I cannot run faster. Help me. Help me. Help me. Look at that. I don't know where to go. The lights are off. It's time to no talking, just running. Total time, distance travel. Trash! This game is called The House. Do you see what's going on? Hold on. Let me see. Am I tripping? Do you see him? I don't know why it's quiet. I don't know. Maybe the music will come on. I don't know. But let's see what this game is talking about. Look at the vision. That boy got all type of stuff. That boy got that bag. Okay. Fix your bed, bruh. It's like, I don't know. It's like, I want to say it got good quality or whatever, like, you know, as far as the look, but in certain ways it kind of look laggish. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Where we going, bro? Look, you just pushed the door open. I ain't pressed nothing. It just came open. That boy got some boy. That boy got a big house. What got going on? That boy got a what? You got a female boy? She got her own little head too. Okay, I see you. That boy got a picket fence. Why you got a fence in your house, bro? Look at this. He has a fence. This is not outside. I should go and buy shoes in the store beside my house. Beside your house. There's a store that close beside your house, boy. Boy, like he got a whole shelf. Dude, what this is? What this is? A house slash restaurant? What is this? Okay. They got that bag, kid. Oh, that boy just kicked the door in. Pool on the side. Okay. This neighborhood look dead, boy. It is dead, but like, bruh. Is it like this all day, every day? I don't know. Maybe that's better. I like peace anyway. Is it? It look like a store. Wait. Bro, this sound like copyright, bro. I heard this song before. What are you doing, bro? What the heck? Hello? I need help. Where are your shoes? You got a crop top on? What the heck? What are you doing? You don't even look like you're looking at the computer. The heck? It really has nothing in here. What is he doing? I can't see myself? No, I can't. Where your shoes, bruh? What? What the freak? Really? Hold on. What shoes? They're like some bowling shoes. Is it these ones? Guess not. Let's try these right here. The freak. Man, what the? Bro, why are you behind me? What? What do you want? Why your body look like that? Why your arms look like that? What's wrong with your shoulders? Bro, why do you have the bang yang? What is wrong with you? Why does your eye look like you're blind? Where are your shoes? Bro, if you run up on me like that again, boy, stop. Excuse my language, y'all. Boy, nigga, I'll really give you these fisticuffs. Don't ever do that in your life. You understand? You dig? I was kind of messing with you a little bit, but hey, bro, don't be just standing behind here, nigga. Like, bro, what, bro? What's wrong with this dude, man? I should go pay for these shoes. Duh. Hey, what are you doing? Since you're doing nothing, what the? I already paid for my shoes. Where the dude go? I don't know, bro. Let's go. Time to go outside, man. It's dark already? Why wouldn't I went in the building like it was windows everywhere or something? Look at the sky. It's purple. What the? Oh, it got darker. What the heck? Purple sky. That's a vibe for me, you know? Look at this. Beautiful. Magnificent. My friend. What the? I just know this dude is not in my house, bro. What the? What is this dude doing? Look at this dude. Look.
Hello.
This dude is in my house. It's the same dude at the store, right? Nah, bruh. Come on, man. Bruh. Why is he walking so slow? I don't remember leaving the door. You're right. Why is the door open? Go to bed. Bro, you can't close the door? So you can't close the door. So you can kick him open. But this one, you can't. You don't want to close your front door? You don't want to close it. Man, these people is careless, bro. Set up, bro. Set up, set up. That boy got a fence, bro. You what the what? I wonder what's in here. Okay. Oh shit! What? I don't remember that. Yeah. What room did he? What room was he in? What room was he in? Is it this one? This is like more like the room. I don't know. I might be tripping. Oh shit! How is this scaring me? Excuse me. Coco. Bro, I'm getting tired of this dude, bro. We just gonna go straight to bed, bro. I wanna see what this game talking about. Okay. We're going to bed. Why would he want to go to bed? I don't know. He's dead. What's my room? Where is it? I think this is it right here. Oh my god. What the freak? Are there even screws in the door? Oh well. Oh crap. I just woke up and heard a noise downstairs. I should leave the house and go to the police station. Bro, how? What the freak? Why would you go to sleep when a dude just in your house? Shh. Be quiet. He has a fence. Just go straight. Just go straight outside. Straight outside. Straight outside. What the freak? Where is this dude? Please don't be running after me. I can't turn around quick. Where's the station? Where is it? I don't know where's the station. I'm just walking. It's too dark. I can't see. I'm in the station. Police, hi. What do you need? I need help. There's someone in my house, fool. Police. Enter interrogation room. Interrogation room? Bro, where are your shoes? How are you working in here, bro, with no shoes? Bro, you think you're a female or something, bro? And why do your eyes look blind too? And what's wrong with your back? What the freak? What is wrong? What are you doing? Paperwork? What? Editing? Stop it. The interrogation room. Where is it? What the? The police interrogated me. It turns out that the man who was with me in the store, he had entered my house with a knife. They brought him to prison. Trash! Alright, my people. Hey, this is a game called Garden of Bonbon. Third scary game. Um This is my first experience with this game. You feel me? I seen a few people play it, but I ain't never just, you know what I'm saying, fully just yeah, because I wanted to get my own experience for it. But let's get into it and see what they talking about. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is delicate. Matter the clock to advance time. Hmm? Hey, they got going on up here, man. Mm, okay. E. Mm. Good, bro. Bine's garden. Oh, uh-oh. What did this go to? Here you go. What the heck? What got a drone in there? Hey, that drone. Hey, this mug right here, little boy, look crispy, boy. I know that mug worth a little something now. Mm-hmm. What is it? Remote prize batteries. Batteries. Eat veggies and fruits to become strong like me. Yeah, man. Didn't I just come up in here? What is the freak? Fingerfly says, having many arms allows you to help a lot of more people. But your eye help you not see many things. Toy. Left mouth. Hmm. Teleport. Okay. What is this? Hold on. Control some VSS at any time in the pause menu. Okay. The heck? Attack! Oh crap. Hurry up, my friend. Hit it. Attack, my friend. Fantastic. Oh, here again. Hey. Hey, a note. Dear mommy, I am hiding in the room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make clear like me. Monster. The heck? That's what I'm talking about, my friend. Protect your sister. boy has a knife in his hand. What am I looking for? Press this again. What the heck? What y'all got me doing, bro? Come on now. Oh, hold on. Attack, my friend. Who are you? Who are you, my friend? What's wrong with your neck? Why does it stretch like that? What are you doing? Why are you sitting there like that? What are you, a dodo bird? What are you, my friend? What the Hey, stop playing. Come here. You. I don't trust this at all. So you're just gonna sit down like everything's cool, huh? Why is your mouth open? What are you doing? Free kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Yeah, there. Booga 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 booga. You look like a booga booga booty out here. Oh, Bill a Bill bird. What's wrong with your feet? Your toes. Close your mouth. What the heck? Go to you from the side. I don't trust you. Are you gonna move? Are you psycho? Huh? Sharp beak. Oh, how about what? Oh, is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Eggs. The neck. Oh, found one already, my friend. Yes, sir, ski. Heck is this? What the heck? Okay. The eyes of an eagle. Thank you, my friend. The heck? Yeah. Yes, indeed. Thank you. I need those. Found another. Aha. Give me that. You see me? Come here. Stuff your mouth with eggs. Come here.
Wow.
Thank you. How's the feeling?
Wow.
The next stretches too. I
Wow.
believe so. Find eggs to feed. How many eggs was that? I wasn't even counting. It does stuff. Find eggs. Crap. The eyelash of horror. What the? Where's this egg? Am I feed him eggs? I don't see it. Hold on. Attack it, my friend. Do it now. You're scared? The freak? No, you said someone find eggs to feed her. Bro, I'm trying to see where's another egg. Is it over here anywhere? How did it get right there? I just came from there. Thank you. Put me through the struggle. Put this in your mouth.
Whoa!
Come. Mm-hmm. Ban Ban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. You get no one pancreas, my friend. You hear me? You see me? Do? Huh? You see the strength? You see it. Your neck. I don't know where it is, but it'll be on your back. You dig? Let us go. Ooh. Naughty corner. The end is here. Noah, the end is now. Here. What the? Attack my friend, and I say now. What? Do it. Hold on. Now you go. Now. I am the man. Hmm? Okay. What the heck? Is that hanging already? Hmm? Okay, why is it not brushing? What the freak? Hold on. Did I do something wrong? Tripping. Thank you. I'm stupid. The the hammer of nails. What is this? Distraction at what? At one. The freak. The neck of strength. Thank you. Thank you. I am the man. Where are you? Thank you. Come down here and I say immediately. Emergency stop. Hold on. You stay right there. Don't move. I mean it. Come on, let's go. Oh. The heck? So you walked up the wall? No, sir, Ski. No, sir. You walk up walls. This time you're gonna fall, but you're gonna die to the point you don't come back up immediately. At all. You understand? Come on now, freak. The freak. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I've got it first. The heck? Did I just start? What the crap? No. Freak. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, the colors. Red. Tree. Damn. Excuse my language. White. Green. Pink. Purple. Orange. Another password. Thank you, my friend. What is this? I want to play with the whole bird. Everyone left me. Everyone had party without me. Miss Mason see me go. I am scared because the hole is loud and my friends screaming. But bird's funny. What the freak? Oh shit! He's reincarnate. What the freak? What the? I just read that already. What the freak? Hold on. Ah, my buttons are getting mixed up. My buttons are getting. Oh my crap! What the freak was that? No. Oh my god, he's over. He's coming up. Oh crap! Get it. What are you doing? Your buttons. Your buttons. Your buttings, my boy. Get it right. Get it right. Hurry up. Wait for the hurry up. Thank you. You better stay right there. Don't move. Don't move, Apostle. Don't you ever in your life move around up on me again. You understand? Thank you. Oh, oh, I'm gone, my friend. There's no catching me. There's no carrying me. You will die, my friend. You understand? Come here. Oh, turn around. Run. Ah ha ha. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha. He's dead. You fell. What are you doing? This time you won't come back up, you little brat. The freak. Whoa. I don't trust nothing. What is this? Open the door, my friend. No, my friend. No. We're not doing that, my boy. We're not. We're not, my friend. What is this? Boarding pass. Okay. What was it? Excuse me. Crap. Hurry up. Attack. Freak. Here it is. Let me see There's something over here. What is going on? What the heck? They got something like this under the table. What the freak is going on? What? Press the button. Attack when I say. Hurry up. Thank you. The button is on. What the heck? Why is it going down? What the heck? I don't trust this. Ew. Oh, tripping. My bad. Hurry up with the dodge, my friend. Hurry up. Hold on, my friend. What the freak? What just happened? Oh my god, I just missed the end. What happened? Freak. Let me see. Hold on. I wanna try again. Hold on. Just for the moment. What happened at the end? I forgot. What? I ain't forget. I missed it. What the freak? Hurry up. I know everything can get up my way. Hurry up, my friend. I'm not playing. Pop up in the room now. Teleportation. Hurry up, my friend. Don't play with me. I mean it. Attack. Borinsky. Here it is. Let's see what's special for us at the end. Sorry if this felt like a whole game. It was 3 scary games. Oh crap. I'm ready to go. Take me home. Let's see what's at the end. I missed. Hope nothing killed me. The heck? The light, please. Need light shine. What just happened? And who was dead? What the freak? Who? Big and strong like you? You're ugly, oh! Alright, y'all, this is the last one, bro. You feel me? Hey, thanks for playing the sequel here. This sequel. Hey, if they got the whole game, man, if y'all like this game, if you ever seen this game before, man, you feel me? Y'all recommend me to play this, bro? You know, besides all the other games I got coming, you know what I'm saying, in store for y'all, you feel me? Let me know what y'all want, you feel me? I ain't gonna hold this too long, you feel me? Because it's supposed to be 3 scary games, so it wasn't supposed to be too long, but I wanted to see what was at the end, you know? So I was stalled, you know? So that's my bad. But hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all, bro. Raw Game with Glizzy. You feel me? Hit that comment, man. You know, subscribe, man. Hit that bell, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Trash!